Hi guys, Mahir Nisar here from the Nisar Law Group. Hope everyone is having a wonderful day. So, first thing, President Trump signs off on the Family First Coronavirus Response Act. In doing so, there are certain key scale backs that we want to look into. What exists currently right now, which is going to get enacted in 15 days, is there has been a reduction. Now, let's focus on two things that really impact the employee, okay? Number one, emergency paid sick leave. In that instance, you will be entitled to up to 10 days of paid leave for up to $511 per day. So, as long as this emergency lasts, as long as the situation exists, you will be entitled to 10 days of paid sick leave, up to $511 per day, if you qualify for three reasons. One, you have been directed by a local or government or organization to essentially quarantine. The second is that a healthcare provider tells you to quarantine. Or the third reason is that you're actually showing symptoms of the coronavirus. The other three prongs involve caring for another. And in that instance, you're going to be entitled to $200 per day for a total aggregate of up to $2,000 for the total of the 10 days that you would be out of work for. So that is the emergency paid sick leave. The second thing that applies to employees is going to be the emergency FMLA. So the emergency FMLA is also there for your usage. You get the original first 10 days are unpaid leave. So it's 10 days of unpaid leave. But now, what are the qualifying reasons? The qualifying reason to be able to get this form of medical leave is the care for your children. So it comes to your son and daughter. So if you have minor dependents that have now been quarantined or have been directed to be isolated due to school closures, in that instance, you can avail yourself of the first 10 days of being unpaid, and then thereafter, it will go day to day up until a total aggregate of $10,000, and you can get up to $200 per day, which would be 2/3 of your pay rate. So that's the new updates. There are definitely a lot of things that are missing from this bill. Unfortunately, it does not cover independent contractors, does not help the gig economy, freelancers, self-employed people. A lot of people are going to be hurt by this, but the good news is that I understand that they're going back to the trenches in the House to try to figure out how they can stimulate the economy and to stop the bleeding that is happening for small businesses. There is a lot of articles that talk about trying to inject money into small business. Let's hope for the best. This is the key updates. Wanted to give it to you and share it with you. So anyways, if you have any questions, feel free to DM me. Best of luck, guys. Take care.